Clearly, this is an ongoing fight between local, regional, and national partners. This morning, we're digging deeper into the data behind the opioid and fentanyl epidemic.
Well, federal authorities, they say these drugs, they continue to be the leading cause of death of Americans. We've talked about this, ages 18 to 45. Matt Venezia actually spoke with a special agent with the Drug Enforcement Administration, the New Orleans division, trying to better understand the key issues here. And it's a lot to take in, Matt.
Yeah, Matt, it really is. In fact, one of the first items on President Donald Trump's agenda up to this point has been trying to tackle the opioid epidemic. In fact, the White House is working with the DEA across the country to try and limit the access to opioid drugs within the United States borders. So on February the 1st, we'll show you it here. The president issued this statement prior to declaring an expanded national emergency regarding the war on drugs and fentanyl, saying, quote, "The sustained influx of the illicit opioids and other drugs has profound consequences on our nation, endangering lives and putting in severe strain in our healthcare system, public services, and communities," end quote. And statistically speaking, this is what the United States Drug Enforcement Administration has seen. Have a look here at some of these numbers now. Glaring figures from 2024, which, if you can believe it, were actually a slight improvement from 2023. The DEA was able to seize more than 55 million fentanyl pills and more than 7,888 pounds of fentanyl powder, which, if you throw all that together, you combine it up, that equates to over 367 million deadly doses of fentanyl. The DEA says that fake prescription pills are being laced with fentanyl and are being mass-produced by the Sinaloa cartel and the Jalisco New Generation cartel in Mexico. The New Orleans division of the DEA is warning people to never take any prescription drugs or medication that is not directly prescribed to you.
People are buying those and they think that they're buying a, for example, oxycodone or other prescription medicine like this. But they're not real, and they have fentanyl in them. That can be really scary.
DEA agents say fentanyl remains the deadliest drug threat in the United States. They say it is a highly addictive synthetic opioid that is 50 times more potent than heroin and 100 times more potent than morphine. With that, guys, we'll send it back to you.
Now, digging into those numbers, Matt, thank you.